Now get rid of dark armpits, knees, and elbows naturally. Papaya is rich in papain enzyme and lime is rich in vitamin C that act as natural skin lightening agents, whereas baking soda acts as a good exfoliator. Take 2 teaspoons of papaya juice in a small bowl. Then add 1 teaspoon of baking soda in the papaya juice. Then add the last ingredient, lime juice, to make your DIY skincare mixture. Mix all the ingredients well and make a paste. The paste can be kept in a clean, dry container and can be used twice a week. This paste can be applied once to twice a week for 15 minutes before shower.